Good morning, student. Today I will explain about another industry which is called fishing industry. This is also one of the old industry of the world. So now you see fishing. Fish constitutes an important food source. It is the source of protein, vitamin D and omega 3 fatty acid. So fish contains highly healthy minerals, nutritious things. Fishing industry includes capture or culture of fish, capturing the fish and then followed by many other processes like its processing, preservation, storage and sale, transport and sale. Sorry, so like many other industries, fishing also require many steps. Once again you see capture and followed by processing, preservation, storage, transport and sale. Around 12% of the world's population depends on fish for their livelihood. Fishing industry. So this sector is a large source of employment also. 12%. China, Peru, India, Indonesia and USA are major fish producer of the world. In India, especially coastal states West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Kerala are major fish producer in India. Coastal fishing. Few factors are necessary for flourishing the fishing industry. First of all, wide continental shelf. Continental shelf means from coast, if large area having no depth in the sea, from coast inside the sea, if many kilometer inside the sea, there is a no too much depth. That region is called continental shelf. Convergence of warm current and cold current. In the ocean, if warm current, warm water and cold water are meeting, that meeting place is very good fishing ground. Example is here, warm Gulf Stream current and meeting cold Labrador current near Finland and Canada. So that area is best fishing place. Cold temperate climate. Cold temperate climate preserve the fish. Fish does not get rotten. So cold climate is better. Barometric pressure. Atmospheric pressure change, fish activities also change. So where there is a favorable pressure for activities of fish, that area is chosen for fishing. Huge market required. Market is necessary for all industry like this here also. Temperate forests provide logs. Temperate forest wood is very suitable for making fishing vessels, boat. So these are the factors favorable for the fishing industries. Thank you. Have a good day. Exercise will be given afterward. And now I will start revision of uh, previous chapters. So meanwhile you note this and complete this. Have a good day. Thank you.